Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to italics your message on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Open a chat. In the message box, type a message. To italics your message, place an underscore on both sides of the text. Tap send. As you can see, the message which you have sent is italicized. This is how you can italicize your message on WhatsApp on an Android device.